Hey guys, it's me Maya, and I'm going to be playing with some slime today, which, if you guys know, I love slime, and I would love to show you guys some of my slimes. Two of them are butter slime. This is a really cool metallic one. This is a blue glitter slime. This is a pink glitter slime. Let's go on and play with them. So, here they are. First, I'm going to be touching my blue slime. So I have to take it out of the bag. This one's sticky. It's really, really sticky. Okay, we can't play with this one, guys. I'm sad though. So then we're gonna play with this one, and this one actually does never get sticky. So here's my slime. It is metallic. It's a really good slime, and it's metallic, so. By the way, thank you for subscribing to my channel because it actually really helps me, and I'm really, really thankful for you guys, and yeah. And today I was like, oh my gosh, Mom, I got subscribers and I got views, and then she's like, oh yeah, you haven't made a video, and I was like, oh, I want to make a video because I don't want you guys to stay hanging. So it's a really good one. And this whole day I was playing Fortnite and playing slime. So if you're wondering, that's what I spend my time on. Fortnite and playing with slime. So then I have a metallic slime, a metallic blue slime with some heart confetti glitters. Oh, it's hard to get open. Wow. It's beautiful. This is a really good slime. And the confettis are shaped like hearts, okay? I just wanted you guys to know. Oh, and guys, my mom ordered me Gucci sandals, and maybe I'll do a video on that, on opening my Gucci sandals and showing you guys. So, yeah. So I really like this slime. Let's go on to my butters. So first I have this butter slime. It's super, super soft. So first I like doing a swirl. I really love this slime, so. Let's play with this butter slime. This is a slime with butter with Daiso clay. Yeah, this is a slime with Daiso clay. So it's a really good slime. So tell me if you like my slimes and tell me which one was your favorite, please. And it was kind of bummed that I couldn't play with this slime because it melted, which really sucks. It was sad. But at least I got to make a video, and at least that's what we could be thankful for. And if you already subscribed and you already followed my Instagram and my Musical.ly, I will. Okay, so my Instagram is okay, so let me see. It is Slimy Girl. And those are my posts. So please go see my channel, and that will make the world for me. And yeah, and I will be doing a shout out for every single person and for one person every single video. So I'm gonna give a shout out right now. So hold on. So I'm gonna do a shout out right now for someone. Let's see. One of my followers. Okay, I already know who this is. Okay, so go follow Elise Loves Slime. Just put Elise Loves Slime. Go follow her and comment down below if you followed her, and then that will make me happy. And please like this video, subscribe, please, and that would make my world. And bye guys, I love you. Mwah.